It's time for a little cleanup today. Going to do a waterless wash with Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All. I've used quick detailers from different manufacturers many times, but I've never used a wash wax product like this. So we're going to give it a try and see how it does. You can see we're a little bit grungy here, but not terribly dirty, which is what you want for a product like this. You don't want to try removing a lot of mud or anything like that. So you may need to, give it a rinse first to get the bulk off. You also have a fair number of bugs up on the front. So I'm going to start with soaking the bugs on the front. They say to give it a good 5 or 10 minutes to soak in and loosen up. And I'll also hit the rear view mirrors while I'm at it. They say to start from the top down, so we'll go ahead and spray the top. And to work in smallish sections, they said 2 to 4 feet. It comes with 4 microfiber towels, and they say to moisten the towels first. You'll use 1 towel that's moist for cleaning, and then 1 towel that's dry for drying. I'm going to drag in a single direction without applying much force. Just want to lift off and trap the dirt and grime. And I can tell right away that this product is much slicker and smoother than others that I've used before. So it feels very good, like I'm not scratching the car. And then I'll switch to a dry towel and just dry off that section I just cleaned. It's leaving a little bit of streakiness behind where I cleaned, but the second dry towel just takes it right off. It does a really nice job. Back to the bumper. We'll give it another spray. And then the moist towel. And so far I'd say the bugs are coming off easier than with the main product I've used, a Meguiar's Quick Detailer. But it's not like they're just magically coming off. You still have to put a little bit of effort into it. Around back here we have the heaviest buildup. So give it a spray, just wipe down. See, it does a really nice job for this stuff that's not really stuck on like bugs tend to be. It's almost just one wipe and it's nice and clean. It leaves behind a really slick, silky feel, kind of like a freshly waxed paint. So it definitely is doing something extra there. It has some sort of extra wax. One nice thing I've noticed about this is it has a nice scent to it. It doesn't smell like you're putting chemicals on the car. It smells more like your car's having a spa day. So, not a big deal, but a nice little perk about it. And don't forget to hit those door jambs. They also say that it can be used on plastic. So I'll just give it a light spritz there. But this kind of grime up in here comes off very easily. And don't forget those trunks also. Overall, I really like it. While this is a white car, I have owned black cars in the past and meticulously cared for the paint, and I wouldn't be afraid to use this on a dark colored car. It feels much slicker and like it does a much better job lubricating than other products that I've used, and it's a pretty good price for the quantity that you get. It's definitely no substitute for a good 2-bucket wash when the car is really dirty, but I think this is a great product for just a simple touch-up, and I'll definitely use it to replace the quick detailer that I used to use. So I'll post a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video request in the comments.